At RadonAway, we don't just manufacture radon mitigation products. We build peace of mind, right here in the USA. For over 35 years, RadonAway has been a trusted name in radon mitigation. Every product we ship is designed and assembled on American soil with precision and pride. From our fans to our system components, each product reflects our commitment to quality, reliability, and safety.
I have been here for 25 plus years. I build radon ventilation systems that keeps people's homes and environment healthy and keeps them healthy.
Every product goes through rigorous testing before it leaves our facility, ensuring it performs under pressure in every environment.
We take pride in our logistics. Getting our American-made products to contractors quickly and reliably is what we do best.
Fast, reliable, made in America. That's the RadonAway promise. Because when it comes to protecting what matters most, we believe the best products are built by people who care right here at home. RadonAway, proudly American, proudly protecting lives.